Alright, today I've got a Winchester Model 12. This is a heavy duck gun. These were made from 1938 to the early 60s. Got a 32-inch barrel. The reason they call it a heavy, it's got a lead weight in the buttstock for the recoil, and also they were made with a 1/2 inch shorter length of pull. Good guns, good duck guns. I got this one out and was going to go turkey hunting with it this year, and I'm going to shoot it 3 times. In fact, I got a 3-inch turkey load for the 3rd shot. I'm going to give it a try. Winchester Model 12 heavy duck. Good shooter.